Hi, my name's Edward Plant and I'm one of the founders of the Business League, and I just wanted to touch base with you and give you a welcome to the event that you're coming to on Tuesday, and also let you know a bit about it so you can make the most out of it. Now, on Tuesday, we have an absolutely amazing business owner coming. He is the founder of Stone and Wood. I'm sure you know. He is absolutely epic. He's amazing at building tribes, selling great beer, and growing an amazing business that has some standout values behind it. So he's going to be talking to us. The role of the morning is turn up at between 6:30 and 7, and we've got some relaxed networking that happens then. This is an opportunity to meet the other members and have a coffee before we kick off at 7 o'clock. Breakfast starts at 7. And we have some networking and some guided stuff that happens until Ross comes on at about 7:30. He then talks for about half an hour with heaps of question and answers and engagement. We pride ourselves on our speakers not giving standard talks and conversations to people and really getting it and making it relatable to you. So he'll be doing that. We'll then have a short break where I'm going to say g'day to you and get to know you guys a bit better. And then we'll come back, do a few more networking things, and finish at 9 o'clock on the dot. Bring business cards, be clear on what you want out of the breakfast, and we'll help you get that. If you've got any questions, just hit reply. But apart from that, I'm really looking forward to seeing you on Tuesday, 15th of May, at Parkwood International Golf Course. We kick off at 7. Looking forward to seeing you there.